Welcome back to another vlog. I am here walking my dog. I did not mean that to rhyme. Oh, I'm gonna get so many weird looks. I don't know why I'm doing this outside. I don't even know why I'm vlogging. I was just like, hey, I want to do a vlog today. Do a vlog. I guess I got a new phone, so that's kind of nice. It's better quality than my other vlogs. So, woohoo! Just walking my dog around this place 'cause I can. I'm a boss. There's a car outside. Alright, we're good. Oh, that was weird. I mean, I'm just gonna get weird looks, you know? Like, what the heck is this guy doing? Idiot. I don't know. But talking to people I can't even see. There's probably only like 2 people watching this video. I only get like 4 views on each video, so and I watch it myself to see how it goes. So that view includes me. That's kind of sad. Ugh. Oh. Mine. She is crazy. My hair is crazy. Oh. Ugh, what's that smell? You guys probably go ahead. Can't smell that. Come on. So I got a success. That's pretty nice. Not a success. A 6S. The iPhone 6S. That phone, you know. The one that everyone else has. No, I'm just kidding. Not everybody has it. Honestly, I'd rather have a Samsung. But this is the cheapest thing I got, man. So I grabbed one. You know? Like any normal person would. So I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.